Okay, so I'm back at Kingston to ride all the rides. There's a Scrimside Flyer, Windseeker, Push Timbers in the back. And I filmed this unit last month. And Fan Buddies filmed it last month too, so I just thought I'd get another video of it. Since it's like 83 degrees outside. So yeah, here it is. It's got a culprit scroll, thermal zone. (2013) 5-ton TZA air conditioner. It's a disconnect. Yeah, I just want to make this quick. I kind of got busted here a little bit ago, so yeah. Well, here's it running. So, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Over and out.